How to pronounce Baal Shalishah. Let's break it down into two parts, Baal and Shalishah. Baal, say it as Baal with the long A sound. Think of it as a single syllable word, Baal. Listen closely, Baal, but keep it short and sweet, just Baal. Shalishah, this word can be divided into 3 syllables, sha-li-shah, shah, pronounced like shah with a soft A sound. Li, pronounced as li with a clear, crispy sound. Shah, again, similar to the first syllable, shah. Combine them, sha-li-shah. Now, let's practice the full phrase slowly, then at a normal pace. Baal Shalishah, Baal Shalishah, Baal Shalishah, Baal Shalishah. Baal Shalishah, Baal Shalishah, Baal Shalishah, Baal Shalishah. Great job! Notice how the stress in Baal is even and consistent, and in Shalishah, the flow from shah to li to shah is smooth and rhythmic. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more language tips,